Hi guys, welcome. In today's video I am going to be using some okra, also known as gumbo, also known as lady fingers. Now if you have not seen okra before guys, we're going to put a picture right here for you to see what it looks like. Now this is loaded with antioxidants, loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C. It can help to clear hyperpigmentation, it can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Now the first time I used this okra on my skin, I was so blown away because it instantly brightened my skin, and I'm telling you guys, I just cannot get enough of it since then. Enough so that I am thinking about making a serum out of this okra, believe it or not. So if you want to see how I made this recipe guys, then follow me to the kitchen. If you have okras at home, I suggest you give this a try and come back and leave a comment after you tried it. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Before I jump in the kitchen guys, guess what? We have our own skincare line and we have a variety of products that you can try on your skin. So visit our store or click on this view product right here. You're going to see it somewhere on the screen, or look in the description box. Click on any link that will take you to our store, ALESMAXii.com. Now if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button guys, so that each time we post a video you get a notification right away. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So today I'm going to be using some okra. And okra have many benefits for the skin. It is also known as lady finger, and it is also called gumbo. Now okra has anti-aging properties because the antioxidant can help prevent wrinkles and signs of aging. Okra is hydrating, and it also helps to reduce dry skin. Okra can help even skin tone and fade hyperpigmentation. Okra also have vitamin A and vitamin C that can help protect the skin from environmental damage. Okra can also help address skin problems such as acne and pimples. I remember the first time I used okra on my skin was immediately clear, bright, and have this natural radiant glow. So today I'm going to be using the okra, and both the okra seeds and the okra skin can be used. I'm using the skin today, and I'm going to set the seeds aside to make a facial serum. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the seeds from the okra, and as you saw earlier, I cut it in two halves, and then I'm slowly extracting the seed. Today I'm using about 3 okras, and we are going to de-seed all 3 of the okras. One thing I advise you to do is to make sure to get rid of the fuzz from the okras. So you can choose to use a brush and just slightly brush it off like I'm showing here. Once that is done, it is now ready to use. So take a look. Here we have the okra peel, and this is what we are going to use to make our facial mask. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to de-seed the other 2 okras. You can apply okra on the skin in the form of a facial mask. You can also use okra to make a facial serum. And guess what, guys? You can also consume okra water, which can help with hydration and provide electrolytes like potassium and magnesium to the skin. So overall, okra is good for you. So let me continue to de-seed the okra, and I would like you all to comment below and let me know, what do you use okra for? Some people use the water to drink like I just mentioned. Some people tend to use it to just eat. Some people just make it in a stew. I know of other ways that people use okra, but I want to hear from you guys. Go ahead and comment below and let me know how you personally use okra. And if you're watching and you do not know what okra is or have never tried okra before, go ahead and comment below. So guys, now that we are done de-seeding the okra, take a look. Here we have the okra seeds, and we are going to put this aside to make a facial serum. And now take a look at the peel. Here it is. This is about 6 pieces because we use about 3 small okras. And now what we're going to do, we are going to be chopping this. We're going to blend it. Now you can also choose to blanch the okra. Just put some water, make it come to a boil, turn it off, drop the okra in there to make this facial mask. That is going to help to preserve it for a little longer, or you can choose to use it raw. Today I am going to use it just plain raw okra on the skin. So I'm going to chop the okras in small pieces for easier blending. Now once this is chopped, I'm going to take all of the chopped okra, I'm going to add it to the blender. And now that we have our okra in the blender, which is about a half a cup of okra, and now guess what we're going to do? We are going to reach for some liquid. Now I'm going to be using some rose water, and rose water is very hydrating on the skin. It helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. It is a perfect water to add to your okra for maximum hydration to the skin. So I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the water, rose water. I'm going to add this to the blender like I'm showing here, 3 tablespoons. If you do not have rose water, you can go ahead, you can use green tea, you can even choose to use milk, soy milk, almond milk. You can just make this your own with any special water that you can actually use on the skin. Now once this is done, we are going to be blending. And we are going to blend well. We are going to blend to more of a cream-like, gel-like consistency. So now that we're done blending, guys, let's open our blender and take a look at this, guys. Look at this goodness. I'm telling you, I love using this okra on my skin. Now, the way I'm making this okra, guys, I'm making it as a facial mask. But believe it or not, you can actually use this as a face wash. All you have to do is just take a little bit of the blended okra and wash your face with it like you're using a soap. And once you're done with it, you rinse off. For this okra, guys, you're going to take a bit of it. You're going to apply it all over your face and also your neck and décolleté. You're going to rub it like you're washing your face, but you're not going to rinse off. You are going to leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, guys, go ahead and rinse off, and you're going to be shocked what you reveal. Bright, clear, naturally glowing skin. Go ahead and use this up within 2 to 3 days or so. It's going to get a little dark. Not to worry. The oxidation is okay. Now, guys, if you use this, guys, use it for 2 to 3 days per week, and then come back, guys, and leave a comment. It's an amazing natural remedy to try, especially if you're skeptical, guys. I would love for you to give this a try. So go ahead and whip this one up, and if you care, guys, take a before and after picture and just tell us what is your result after using this for the very first time on the skin. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 7 days.